Nature is a master of adaptation, but some of its creations have evolved defenses that are nothing short of hostile. While we often view forests as sanctuaries, certain tree species have developed complex chemical arsenals, toxins, acids, and neurotoxins designed to repel any creature that dares to touch, eat, or even stand near them. Understanding these botanical hazards is essential for any traveler, gardener, or nature enthusiast. Here is an expanded look at 15 of the most dangerous trees on the planet. 15 lethal trees you should never touch one. The Manchineel, Hippomane mancinella, found in the tropical regions of the Caribbean and Florida. This tree is often marked with a red X or a warning sign. Its sap contains phorbol, which is so corrosive that rain falling through the leaves can pick up enough toxin to blister human skin. Eating its death apples causes severe swelling of the throat and potentially fatal gastrointestinal. 2. The suicide tree, Cerbera odolum, native to the marshy swamplands of India and Madagascar. Its seeds contain cerberin, a steroid that blocks the calcium ion channels in the heart muscle. This causes a disrupted heartbeat that is frequently fatal. Because the toxin is often masked by spicy food, it has a dark history in forensic toxicology. 3. Castor bean tree, Ricinus communis. While it can be grown as an ornamental plant, the seeds of this tree contain ricin, one of the most poisonous naturally occurring substances known to man. Ricin works by inhibiting protein synthesis in cells. Just a few seeds are enough to kill an adult. 4. Oleander, Nerium oleander. This is one of the most common decorative trees in the world, yet every inch of it is toxic. It contains oleandrin and nerine, which affect the heart. Even honey made from its nectar can be toxic, and burning the wood releases smoke that can cause severe respiratory distress and poisoning. 5. Milky mangrove, Exco-Acaria agalica. Commonly found in coastal mangrove forests, this tree is nicknamed blind your eye. If the white, milky sap enters the eyes, it causes intense pain and temporary blindness. On the skin, it causes irritation and blistering that can take weeks to heal. 6. Strychnine tree, Strychnos nux vomica. The seeds of this tree are the primary source of strychnine, a deadly alkaloid. Ingestion causes the muscles to contract violently and uncontrollably, leading to exhaustion or asphyxiation. It was famously used as a pesticide and featured heavily in early 20th century mystery novels. 7. European yew, Taxus baccata. Ancient and often found in churchyards, the yew is steeped in folklore. Its taxane alkaloids are rapidly absorbed by the body. Symptoms of poisoning include heart palpitations, convulsions, and heart failure, often occurring so quickly that the victim dies before they realize they are in danger. 8. Angel's trumpet, Brugmansia. Though prized for its massive, fragrant flowers, this tree is a member of the nightshade family. It contains scopolamine, a toxin that can induce a state of zombie-like trance, hallucinations, and total loss of willpower, followed by death if the dose is high enough. 9. Gympie-Gympie, Dendrocnide meroides. While technically a large shrub/small tree, this Australian native is covered in tiny, hollow silica hairs. These hairs act like hypodermic needles, injecting a potent neurotoxin called moroidin. The pain is so excruciating that it has been known to drive animals to madness and humans to suicidal thoughts. 10. Milky pine, Alstonia scalaris, common in Southeast Asia. The bark and leaves produce a sap that is a severe skin irritant. During its flowering season, the intense fragrance and pollen can cause severe asthma attacks and respiratory failure in sensitive individuals. 11. Sandbox tree, Crepitans. Also known as the dynamite tree, its trunk is covered in sharp, poisonous spikes. Its fruit pods resemble small pumpkins, but are essentially biological grenades. When dry, they explode with enough force to injure humans and animals several meters away. African teak, Pterocarpus angolensis. When the bark is cut, it bleeds a dark red sap. While used for dye, the fine dust created when working, the wood is highly toxic to the lungs and skin. Chronic exposure for woodworkers can lead to permanent respiratory damage. Black walnut, Juglans nigra. The black walnut practices a form of chemical warfare called allelopathy. It secretes juglone from its roots and leaves. While not usually fatal to humans upon a single touch, the chemical is a known respiratory irritant, and the mold that grows on the fallen husks can produce tremors and seizures if accidentally handled and ingested. 14. Mountain laurel, Kalmia latifolia. A relative of the rhododendron, this tree contains neurotoxins. If humans eat mad honey produced by bees that have visited these flowers, it can lead to honey intoxication, characterized by paralysis of the limbs, dangerously low blood pressure, and heart failure. 15. Jatropha, Jatropha curcus. Often used to create fences because cattle won't touch it, the seeds of the jatropha contain curcin. Ingesting even one seed can cause a burning sensation in the throat, followed by explosive vomiting and cardiovascular collapse. While these trees are dangerous, they are also a testament to the incredible defensive mechanisms of the plant kingdom. Many of these toxins are currently being studied for their potential in modern medicine, proving that even the most harmful organisms have a role to play in our global ecosystem. As always, when exploring new environments, the best rule of thumb is, if you don't recognize it, don't touch it.